Looking for the fuse box in your Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 to 2010? I'll guide you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can spot the right fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2008 and 2009 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box protects critical circuits such as the engine control, ignition, fuel system, and powertrain modules. The fuse box also covers systems like ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power accessories. This design ensures reliable distribution of power to both essential performance components and safety features. In the 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box safeguards essential circuits for the engine control, fuel system, ignition, and powertrain modules. The box also protects key systems such as ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power outlets. This setup ensures safe and efficient operation of both critical engine functions and important safety features. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.